Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video.
You all I really want for Christmas is you. All I really want for Christmas is you.
As y'all can see by today's title and thumbnail, today is Vlogmas Day 8. Vlogmas Day 8, and I'm going to be doing a day in the life as a teen braider. So right now it's 3:05. My client is coming at 4 o'clock. I had to go to work early this morning, so my client's gonna come at 4 o'clock, which is totally fine. That's my homegirl. She's cool. She always supports me. So yeah, we're gonna get her in and out. She's getting soft locks. I don't know if she wanted them tight, like small. I think she wanted them like, you know, mediums though. Yeah, we're gonna get her in and out quick and easy. And yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all through the process of what I do. I feel like I don't really do content on my hair at all, for real. Like when I do hair, I don't really do content on that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. If you're new here, hey, my name is Taylor _Taylor_Simone. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because your girl is we're literally gonna make it to 500. Like we're literally gonna hit 500 in this video. So make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the content. Make sure y'all tune into my last couple of videos and my last Vlogmas videos. And yeah, we're gonna ride along with all of this. I don't have to go to the beauty supply store for nothing, I don't think. I actually think I just have a brand new gel. This is the gel I use lock-in gel. Well, it's not brand new, but I have a lot in there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be using today. And my comb and all my little hair products are gonna be down there that I will pull out. And yeah, we just gonna rock and go with the flow. Do what we gotta do. I do have to go to the store later. Like I have to go to the store before she get here because I have to do something. So yeah, I'm gonna just take y'all with me as I do her hair and stuff. I'm gonna record her if she want to be on camera or not, but if not, I'm gonna respect her. I'm gonna see y'all either when she get here, probably when she get here, because it's 3:07 right now. So I'm gonna see y'all when she get here. Hey guys, so my client just got here. Her name is Chloe. Look at all that hair. Yes. Yeah. Yes, it may seem so late, but it's okay guys, because we're about to eat her now. We're about to eat her now. But yeah, oh, whoa. Period. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up, not right here, but so y'all can see it. And yeah, it's 4:04 when we starting. So she's getting soft locks. Yeah, I can't wait because her hair is so cute. Like the color, I just dyed it yesterday. I know, I saw your look. I'm excited. So yeah, y'all, that's what we about to do.
Did it kind of pop out? I texted her. She was
oh,
I was like,
oh man, yeah.
And we pop out when y'all when we pop.
Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is boy, I feel safe. I'm just trying to buy and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, stay out of bills. I'm the go to chop.
Okay, look at part. Yeah.
Oh, hey, put your head down, son. Oh, not that down. You know, get into it. Period. Let's get some content for them. Alright, tan. I don't know if I want to do low exposure or regular. Like, I be so indecisive. Like, do you wanna be? Okay, move up some.
You wanna be?
Wanna love me like that?
Yeah, she gave me a drink. Like, oh my god, get to the customer service.
Yes, like it is spooky. Do you wanna be?
Oh, John, period. That's cute.
The color really.
I love my hair color. So bad, like,
Because I feel like now we seeing the whole aspect of it. But you know, yeah. The fact that we almost done with the back, low-key.
You want chocolate?
We almost done with the back, and then I'm gonna wrap the whole back, and then I'm gonna start on the front. Let it off in. Like y'all, look at all of this hair. She has such good hair. Get to them parts though.
Get to the bar.
Y'all, this is such a different video because I don't normally film like hair videos. So I think this is a different aspect of like what I do for real. It is, but I just cause why not? What are we doing?
Cause like I don't think we're doing it for real.
Did I do that? That's okay.
No.
Yeah, it's just that.
We not.
I need to get a speaker. Somebody on my secret Santa list better get me a speaker for Christmas because I was heavy on that. I smell both. I like both.
Oh my. I be hearing so much stuff out there.
It's good. You like it? I was scared, low-key.
Cause like Ryan first.
I love them. I mix them together.
Rescue
right here?
This is my song. What do you know? Nobody.
You got some bacon.
Wrong words. Hold on.
Take me out the trap. Take me off the market. Take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love.
It's party.
Yeah.
Blocks. Look like building blocks. Okay. Okay. Let me take a video. I gotta take a picture too. Like see-through. If you can't see through it.
Tell me what to do.
Ooh, your color is popping. Hold on. Stay in what position?
Oh, it's a picture? I thought it was a video.
Now take it from me.
I don't know if I'm ready for this.
I don't think I meet them at the places.
That's why I'm mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. Oh wait, I'm sorry.
You know all the bullshit that's been going on with you.
Merry Christmas.
And you know I
Wait, I'm putting the locks on the tree, period. Black girl man.
Take me out the trap. Take me off the market. Take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club. Take me out the trap. Take me off the market. Take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the group chat and tell them it's all.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Maybe I should clean up all of this before. I ain't no scary. I usually just. Wait, do that again. That day. Hold on. Go back. Right there.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
The model. Cause what?
Do what you want.
Ooh, look at
Let me not flick off the camera.
Let's do like a.
My new bitch look like a Tommy.
Oh, the parts. You want to turn to that?
But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
Okay.
I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get along.
You keep playing with me. No. 80, 100, 120, 130.
Crib by by the beach like Odell.